So I just wanted to add something. Um, I actually the contour pass. This is the wrong one. The contour pass actually worked, and I think I know why it didn't work before. And that's because, again, I think I didn't align the tool plane with the world coordinate system, so it was machining in some. Oh, it was just machining from like the front rather than from the top. Um, I mean, it's you don't necessarily have to align it, but just usually understand from which orientation it's working off of. So, like for example, in this, we know we want the tool to go from the top so that it can clean it up. Otherwise, if it's going from the front, for example, it's going to machine through the body. So it's designed to go from the top, so we're going to make sure the tool plane is at the top. So let's just delete this, and I'll show you how to do it again. So first, we need to move the red arrow over here, and that just tells the program where you want the next pass to be. So we're going to do the contour, and we're just going to select the bottom loop over here, and so we see it's going this way, um, which is correct. That's climb milling. It's rotating clockwise. And actually, never mind. That's wrong. It should actually be going up. It should be going this way. So we're going to reverse. Yeah, so that's correct. And parameters are the same from previous time using contouring, so pretty good. 0.1. And then linking parameters, it should be correct. I can double check the depth if you just this. So everything is right. This actually might not be right. So top of stock is here. Yeah, so it's a little different. The rest is correct. And tool, we're using the we can just use the same half-inch flat end mill. See, it's running pretty slowly. You can run that faster. Spindle speed like 8,000, and then yeah, feed rate. I don't know. What's a good feed rate? Good feed per tooth. Whoops, 100. Is that a lot? 0.008. Okay. So let's see what happens. So that looks pretty good. Let's run it. We're going to skip the Optirough again, and we're going to move straight to the contour. And it's so quick that you don't even see the tool moving, but it is. And here we can see the surface finish. We're going to skip the water line operation, and here we can see the final surface finish. So it looks a little better on the pocket. It's very nice. And this again is pretty hard to improve unless you just reduce these step downs or you use that angled tool machining or 5-axis. But anyways, this is what I wanted to show you guys. So just gonna save, and we can re-render the stock model, and we can see. Move to preview. We can see what it looks like. It's pretty good. I'm happy with it. So yeah. All right. Thanks. Yes, I just wanted to also mention that uh, the way I showed to do the toolpaths, probably not the best way to do it. In fact, I'm like almost certain it's not the best way to do it because the way Ben um, showed is very elegant. Um, but this is just the way I found that worked. Um, so yeah, just keep in mind there's probably better ways to do a lot of these things, but the purpose was to show how to use these toolpaths, and this is one way to use them.